is one of the first PCs I ever took apart. It actually is the first PC I ever took apart. And took quite a beating. I took it apart with a hammer and a hammer. And I found it in my grandma's garage. And this computer it's been through a lot. So what we got here is, we're rocking a Pentium 4 HT with a, let me check here, I think that's a 230 watt power supply. It looks like we're running on, let's see here, let's check how much RAM we've got. It looks like we're running on, I think, 512 megabytes of memory. And basically what I'm going to try to do today is, in the process of tearing this thing apart, I've completely and utterly wrecked the fan. Yep. And I had a fan that fit this, but this takes 90mm fans, and the fan that I gave it was a 40mm fan. And that didn't really work well for it, because temperatures on a Pentium 4 HT, those things run pretty hot. Yeah, that RAM was difficult to plug in. Okay, so we're also rocking a, I think, 60 gig IDE drive, which is powered by Molex. Throwback. You can actually see the Intel graphics chipset right there. It's actually similar to the 810, which is one of the not worst. It's one of the first Intel integrated graphics processors that go in on the motherboard instead of the CPU. And you can tell this is pretty old just by looking at the capacitor. That capacitor is like, well, it's a pretty big capacitor. So, yeah, what we're going to do today is I'm just going to take it and I'm going to try to fix it up. And yeah, so I'll see you guys after I'm done with that.